Need to replace the printhead on your Agfa Anapurna M or MW series printer? Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you do it safely and correctly. The tools you'll need: long screwdriver number 2, long Phillips head screwdriver number 2, plastic gloves, Allen keys, a small wrench, cutter, a voltage meter, ink tube, hot air blower, or cigarette lighter to heat the Teflon tube. Let's get into it. Step 1. First, turn off the printer completely, including all power switches. Wait at least 30 minutes to allow the power supply to discharge fully. This is essential for your safety. Step 2. If possible, purge the printhead you are replacing with cleaning solution. Step 3. Leave the negative air pressure on. Step 4. Carefully remove all covers to access the printhead. Step 5. Disconnect the flat cable from the cartridge PCB. Step 6. Remove the 2 black screws located at the front and on the left side of the head. Next, remove the 2 Phillips screws at the front and on the left side of the head. Now, gently remove the printhead. Be careful, the head may leak cleaning solution at this point from both the nozzle plate and the ink tube. Take precautions to avoid spills. Step 9. Using the Allen key, remove the 2 screws that hold the cartridge PCB in place. Then, carefully separate the PCB from the printhead. Step 10. Disconnect the ink tube and the sealing tube from the printhead. Now reverse these steps to install your new printhead. Step 12. Purge the new head with ink. Finally, print a nozzle test to verify everything is working properly. Looking for more expert wide format printer part replacement video tutorials? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll never miss an update.